laces are a bad idea. You may never, ever tie your shoes again. Super Z-Strap by Skechers. Step up.
Yo, your turn.
I'll show you how. Step up.
Well, look out now.
You just can't beat the power pack taste of Sunny D. Unleash the power of the sun.
This Easter,
Let's meet our destiny.
you can escape to a faraway place and enter a world filled with adventure.
No one touches the tail.
Friday, April 8th, rated PG.
We're back with the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Oh, yeah. We'll be right back to the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Don't miss That's So Raven today on ABC Kids.
Mini LALAOOPSY, mini LALAOOPSY, mini LALAOOPSY, mini LALAOOPSY. Tea for two, give mouse a cup. Spin the Ferris wheel and you go up. Peanut crumbs and pillow too. Mini LALAOOPSy. Ooh, bedtime story with your sheep. Now it's time to go to sleep. Mini LALAOOPSy fun. For the love for everyone. Mini LALAOOPSy.
Ferris wheel other playsets and mini LALAOOPSY dolls each sold separately. Ooh la la!
Joy is a gift. This is the box it comes in.
The award for most creative goes to Happy Pinwheel, most precious Bonnie and Meadow, and for most delicious Apple Dipper.
You can get an adorable Littlest Pet Shop pet in your McDonald's Happy Meal.
You can go deeper into the grid than ever before.
Now this I can do.
With more revelations than you saw in theaters. See what happened after the movie ends. With the next day, Flynn Lives revealed Tron Legacy on Disney Blu-ray Combo Pack. April 5th, rated PG.
From Skechers, Hot Lights are back with brand new shoes with super traction, and they light up the night. They're fast, they're cool, they're bright. Hot Lights
What are you boys doing in here?
by Skechers.
We're back with the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Oh, yeah. We'll be right back to the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Meet Jackson Stewart.
Chug, chug, chug.
He's got a great job, a good look, and he's got smooth moves.
Please pretend to like me.
Okay, maybe not so smooth. Spend some quality time with Jackson Stewart. Hannah Montana, today on ABC Kids.
I am not from here.
You think?
From the creators of Ice Age.
Welcome to Rio.
Yeah. Anne Hathaway.
It's not like she's gonna bite.
We'll see.
George Lopez.
You want me to call your mother? It works every time. They're scared to death of her.
Tracy Morgan.
I don't know how I got up here, but I ain't never coming down.
Will.i.am and Jamie Foxx.
Check it out. Show her how you roll. Drop it low.
Rio, rated G.
Hello to your new best friend. Dance! Your AquaPet actually hears you and responds, and they respond to each other, too. New AquaPets, each sold separately. Batteries not included.
From Skechers, evil steals the light from the city.
The light belongs to us.
Luminators are back. This futuristic lighting system lights up the night with every step. The future stays bright with Luminators from Skechers.
I really love your hair. Bratz all glammed up to there. 5 steps to love your hair. Glam it up. Bratz all glammed up. Everyone do a wave. Bratz hair, what a rave. Straight and smooth, all glammed up in the groove. Go curly girl, do undo, got memory girl. Crimp it there. Glitter everywhere. I really love your hair. Bratz all glammed up to there.
Bratz All Glammed Up dolls with styling tools, glitter, and clips for you, sold separately.
Really love your hair.
Let's hear you scream for Zack and Cody. Right side only. Now the left. Okay, everyone, louder. Wow, it's off the scale. The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody today on ABC Kids. We're back with the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Oh, yeah. We'll be right back to the New School on ABC Kids. Imagine if you had a special phone, and with one call, you could replace anyone in your life who's not right with someone who you think is just right.
Awesome!
Then everything would work out all right. Right? Dial into the replacements. Next on ABC Kids.
Today,
Best day ever!
Yay!
take a ride on the wild side.
Gotcha!
You can bring home Disney's Tangled.
How about 2 out of 3?
Tangled, a Blu-ray combo pack today. Rated PG.
MoonDough Magic Zoo. MoonDough is the fluffy new dough that lets you create a magic zoo world. Fill your mold and bring to life animals that walk on their own. MoonDough never dries out, so you can build your zoo world again and again. MoonDough Magic Zoo. Additional sets and dough sold separately. See what's new with Sporty Shorty. Have you boys had enough yet? Lights out! Light up! Skechers Sporty Shorty. Light up! Sporty Shorty. Sporty Shorty. Sporty Shorty from Skechers.
Now, Rodrick rules. Rule number 12.
Always lower mom and dad's expectations.
I took a math test today and I'm pretty sure I flunked.
Oh, Greg.
But look, I got a C-.
At least you didn't fail.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Rated PG.
Bryce Anslinger, weekdays on KEZI 9 News this morning.
We're back with the Emperor's New School on ABC Kids. Oh, yeah. Get ready to rock with Todd and Riley. The replacement starts right now on ABC Kids. We'll be right back to the replacements right here on ABC Kids.
Where am I? Only on Disney Blu-ray. You can go deeper into the grid than ever before.
Now this I can do.
It's the ultimate Tron experience.
Your move.
With more revelations than you saw in theaters, now you can see what happened after the movie ends. With the next day, Flynn lives revealed.
Hang on, this might be rough.
Disney Tron Legacy. Combo pack also includes 3D. You can grab it. April 5th. Rated PG.
Guess who's back? Twinkle, 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 twinkle toes. They sparkle and they glow. Twinkle Toes from Skechers is back. Brighter and shinier than ever. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle toes. In her world. From Skechers.
Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Rodrick rules. Rated PG.
We're back with the replacements.